It's cold. Say hi. He's gonna get whiter. Yes. Video.
What's up?
They really are.
Find one?
You do everything.
What the fuck?
I was like,
Wait, you gotta find a big shell and put it near the...
Yeah.
Yes. Aubrey, I found a use for it.
Eddie, wait, take another picture. Oh my god.
Okay.
You can get out now.
Ready?
Are you taking a video?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, dear Lord. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. To the water. Wait, to the water.
there's still titties.
Wait, take off the sunglasses. I'm gonna dive in. God, you're so fucking fat. And a messy eater. Good Lord.
This is why the pigeons are here. Stop. I don't want to have a face.
Is this gonna be in a YouTube video?
Yeah.
Yay. Don't edit that out.
I'll
No,
try.
don't edit
Don't
anything.
edit.
Don't edit anything out.
It's fatty. You're fat. And you're like the skinniest out of all of us.
Shout out to Aubrey again, Gone Jesus, you know, in the building, chilling.
You can't put a shout out to your own damn
I ain't
self.
putting out a shout out to my own damn self.
What the? That's not how it works.
It actually is how it works.
You don't put a shout out to yourself.
Yeah, you do.
You don't.
Subscribe to me on YouTube, you know, Darkness Falls 119.
Oh, my camera's
I don't
dying.
make any videos, I don't do shit, but it's there. Subscribe to it. There's gonna be some posts eventually.
I'm about to lay down. Maybe watch a movie if it works. Done with today. It was okay. Me and Dee didn't really talk, but whatever. So, yeah, I think we're okay. So, yeah. Did you guys like my friends? I was only, yeah. Me and Eddie were kind of flirting today. Kind of, a little. Aubrey asked if we were talking, and I was like, wish we kinda on that borderline talking. So, I love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.